380 SL. If you're looking to remove the gauge cluster, two-step process. First, you've got to get the steering wheel out. Once the steering wheel is removed, you'll be able to access that gauge cluster. Just pulls out. First thing you need to do is take off this center piece here. So all you've got to do is pull it out. There's just a couple snap clips on the back. Once that's removed, you're going to take a 10 millimeter bit driver there. And right in the center, you're going to want to kind of hang onto the steering wheel. Sometimes you can use a bar, metal pipe, or something to hold the steering wheel in place so you don't break that locking mechanism. So once that bolt is removed here, there we go. So we've got the bolt out. That steering wheel simply pulls off. Once the steering wheel is removed, you can, if you have anything flat, you can kind of get it behind. I actually started to pull this off already, so I just kind of placed it there to show you, but you can also use these tools. They're like little grabbing mechanisms that you can get along the lip and edge, kind of shimmy it out here. And once you get it started, the whole thing kind of folds out, and I will show you what's behind here. There's quite a few different wires. There's a vacuum hose all the way in the very back, and there's a large plug that's a little difficult to remove, located right behind here, right back here. It's a very kind of a large harness. So in addition to that large harness, there's a couple other ones you just pinch and pull, most of it's pretty easy to come out. If you do have that pesky O2 sensor light, which is so common, you can actually just remove that light too, right there. So if you've replaced your O2 sensor, yet you still have the light on, it's an easy way to get that O2 sensor light to go off. So I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and have a great day.